Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a full month of Instagram content in just one day using Canva and some ChatGPT as well. By the end of this video, you'll have some ready to post Instagram designs, captions written by AI, and a repeatable system to stay consistent without burning out. So let's get started. Before you even open Canva, you need to start with strategy. You need about 3 to 5 repeating content pillars that show your brand's personality and trust. Realistically, you don't need 30 random ideas, you just need 3 to 5 categories that repeat. For example, educational tips, so posts that kind of show your expertise, behind the scenes, client results or case studies, so testimonials to act as like trust signals on your social feed, personal story or relatable moments, or trending or AI tips, whatever your niche is basically. So now let's open up ChatGPT, and here's the prompt I used in ChatGPT to build on the content pillars. The first part of the prompt, you are a social media strategist. This instantly shifts ChatGPT's mindset to think like a social media strategist. Then we've told them what we actually want them to do, which is to create 5 strong content pillars for a skincare brand's Instagram account. And then we've given it some context, so what the brand is about, what it sells, and what the goal is for the brand. And then we want to say what our goal is for the pillar as well. We're also going to give it a name. So we've given it this prompt, and ChatGPT gives us something like educational and skincare tips, product tutorials, product benefits and routines, self-care confidence moments, and community glow as well, and some behind-the-scenes brand story, which is great. This is the type of content that we need. So these are our main pillars. These are the types of categories that we're going to talk about in order to have consistency within our feed, and also so we don't run out of ideas on what to post about as well. So next we'll turn those pillars into 30 post ideas, and here is the typical prompt that I would use. So using these 5 content pillars, generate 30 Instagram post ideas for the skincare brand. Mix in tips, relatable posts, and questions that spark comments. Format it as a numbered list with 1 idea per line. And there we go. We instantly have a month's worth of content ideas. No more brainstorming in panic mode or anything like that. To make them more clickable, we'll create scroll-stopping hooks for each idea as well. So we'll refine on these, and here's how I would word that prompt as well. Take these 30 skincare posts and turn them into scroll-stopping Instagram carousel titles. Use catchy hooks like "you're wasting your face wrong," "you're washing your face wrong," 5 signs your moisturizer isn't working, things like that. And I've also given it a more sort of output format. Keep each hook under 10 words. So now we've got 30 headlines that will actually make people swipe as well. Throughout this, as you're typing into ChatGPT, it will also give you suggestions on building on the previous answer. So like, for example, this one, it's asking, would you like me to write example opening slides and captions for 5 of these to boost saves and comments, etc. And you can work on this if you want to explore that option as well and see what it comes up with. Again, the more kind of content that you give it, and as you're building on it within this ChatGPT will kind of get a more understanding of your brand and be able to output the content a little better. We are going to start turning our ideas into visuals now using Canva. So first up with Canva, you want to set up a brand kit. So we'll find this under brand and brand kit. This is only found in the pro version of Canva. You can absolutely still continue with this video if you just have the free version. You might want to just skip to the next part of the video, or you can watch and see how the pro version allows you to kind of use brand kits. But with brand kits, you can upload your logo, choose your colors, and set your fonts. And that way, whenever you go back to create a new post or prompt, you don't need to always set this every single time. You can just select the brand kit that you have and go from there. So we are going to create a new brand kit, and we are going to add logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, things like that. So the brand kit is basically almost like a style toolbox for your brand. It ensures every piece of content looks cohesive and instantly recognizable. Key components of the brand kit is your brand colors. So with the brand colors, you want to pick 3 to 5 color codes for your brand, primary, secondary, and accents. Use hex codes so colors are exact every single time. You can use the color wheel, or you can use the hex code down here as well. Example for a skincare brand, if we were to do maybe a soft pink, and then a clean white, blue, teal, and a darker gray for text. It's our color palette. Then you want to go into fonts, and you want to select 2 to 3 fonts, one for heading and one for body text. An optional one could be a third for accents or quotes, but you really don't want to go past that, and keep them consistent across posts as well. So for example, headings could be, and we can say Montserrat bold. Any subheadings should also follow that as well. We'll say Montserrat bold. And then for body text, we can say, and you want to keep these consistent as much as possible. If you have a custom font as well, and you're not using any of the free fonts or the fonts that come, the Google fonts, you can upload your own font. Again, that is more of a pro feature, but you can upload your own font as well if you have like a certain font that you use on your website, for example, or other pieces of media. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as well. If there's any other things that you want to learn more about, let us know, and I'll see you in the next one.